Hello, dear students. Welcome back to your channel Study with Bhudev Sir. Today we will discuss chapter number 6 of class 8 Sanskrit book Ruchira. The name of chapter is Griham Shunyam Shutam Binam. It means our house is zero without daughter. Without daughter, our house like a zero. So, in this chapter, the author is describing a bad customs, bad traditions, the child killing, girl child killing. So, we will see what is discussing in this chapter. So, this is the scene of a house. So, first of all, we will read the word by word the chapter. Salini ग्रीष्मावकाशे पितृगृहम् आगच्छति सर्वे प्रसन्नमनसा तस्याः स्वागतं कुर्वन्ति परं तस्याः भातृजायाः उदासीना इव दृश्यते. It means Salini, a lady. Grishmavakase, Grishma in the summer vacation. Pitrigraham means father's house. Agachati came. Salini comes to the father's house during summer vacations. Salini comes to father's house during summer vacation. Sarve means all. Prasanna Manasa means happily. Tasya means her. Swagatam, welcome. Kurvanti, do. Param, but. Tasyaha, her. Bhatrijayaha, sister-in-law means brother's wife. Sister-in-law in Hindi, Bhabhi. Udasina means sad. Iva drashyate, looking or looks. So everyone welcomes her happily, but her sister-in-law looks sad. So let's see again the full meaning. Salini comes to father's house during summer vacations. Everyone welcome her happily, but her sister-in-law looks sad. Next line. Salini. Now Salini told, Bhatrajaya Chintita eva pratiyase sarvam kushalam khalu. Salini asked to her sister-in-law that sister-in-law, Bhatrajaya means sister-in-law, Chintita means worried, eva pratiyase means look or seems, sarvam means everything, Kushalam means all right. Khalu means quite well, you can say, na, all right. So Salini asked to her sister-in-law that, sister-in-law, you seems to be worried. Is everything all right? So what the sister-in-law replied? Let's see. Mala. Mala is the name of sister-in-law of Salini. So Mala replied that Am Shalini Kushalini Aham Tvadartham Kim Anayani Sital Peyam Chayam Va. Now the sister-in-law replied, Am Shalini means yes Shalini. Kushalini Aham, I am fine. Tvadartham means for you. Kim Anayani, what bring? For you, what should I bring? Sital Peyam means cold drink. Chayamba or tea. When Salini asked to sister-in-law, then sister-in-law Mala replying, Yes Salini, I am fine. What should I bring for you? Cold drink or tea? What should I want? What should you want? Like this, she asking. Now Salini is again telling Shalini, अधुना तो किमपि न वाञ्छामि रात्रौ सर्वैः सह भोजनमेव करिष्यामि. Now Shalini is telling to Mala that Shalini means Shalini, Adhuna means now, Tu means only, Kimapi na means nothing, Vanchami want. I don't want anything at this time. I want nothing at this time. Ratrau means in night. Sarvaiha saha with all. Bhojanameva dinner karishyami will do. I will have dinner with everyone in the night. Shalini replied to Mala that I don't want anything at this time. I will have dinner with everyone at the night, in the night. So now is the scene of dinner. Bhojan kale api Malayah मनोदशा स्वस्था न प्रतीयते स्म परम सा मुखेन किमपि नोक्तवती. भोजन काले अपि means even during the dinner or meal, even time of dinner. Malayaha manodasa means mood of Mala, Mala's mood. Swastha means happy or healthy. Na pratiyate isma was looking. Param means but. Sa mukhena, sa means see. Mukhena means by mouth, from her mouth. Kimapi means anything. Noktavati not said. Even during the meal, Mala's mood did not seem healthy, but she did not say anything from her mouth. This is the scene of dinner. Now Rakesh. Rakesh is the husband of Mala and brother of Shalini. Rakesh is telling to Shalini, Bhagini Shalini, Dishtaya Tvam Samagata Adhya Mama Karyalaye एका महत्वपूर्णा गोष्ठी सहसैव निश्चिता. अद्यैव मालायाः चिकित्सकया सह मेलनस्य समयः निर्धारितः. त्वं मालया सह चिकित्सिकां प्रति गच्छ. तस्याः परामर्शानुसारं यदि देयं तद Sampadaya. Now Rakesh told to Shalini that Bhagini Shalini means sister Shalini. Dishtaya Tvam Samagata. Dishtaya means by luck. Tvam means you. Samagata means came. By luck you came. Adhya means today. Mama Karyalaya in my office. Eka Mahatvapurna and important. Goshti means meeting. Sahasaiva means suddenly. Nishchita means fixed. Adhyaiva means wait. First we will complete it. So Rakesh told to his sister, Sister Shalini, you have come by luck. Suddenly a meeting has been fixed in my office today. Suddenly a meeting has been fixed in my office today. Adhyaiva means today also. Malayah of Mala Chikitsakaya saha with the doctor. Melanasya samaya means appointment. Nirdharit means scheduled. Today also the appointment with the doctor of Mala also scheduled. Tvam Malaya saha you with Mala Chikitskam prati to the doctor. Gach means go. You go to doctor with Mala. Tasya Paramarshanusaram according to her advice, doctor's advice. Yad deyam means what are able to. Tad sampadaya, that you do. Means what you go to the doctor with mala and do what you are able to do according to his her advice. So let's see the full meaning of the stanza. Rakesh told her sister that, Sister Shalini, you have come by luck. Suddenly, a meeting has been fixed in my office today. Today is the scheduled appointment of Mala with doctor also. You go to the doctor with Mala and do what you are able to do according to her advice, according to doctor's advice. So like this he told. Now Salini told to his brother, Kim abhavat bhatrajayah swasthayam samichinam nasti aham to ya prabhrati पश्यामि सा स्वस्था न प्रतिभाति इति प्रतीयते स्म. Shalini told to her brother that what happened sister-in-law, what happened sister-in-law's health. Bhatrajaya swasthayam means health of sister-in-law. Samichin means well, nasti means not. What happened? Sister-in-law's health is not well. Aham to means I also. Here means yesterday. Prabharti pasyami means seeing. Sa means see. Swastha na pratibhati not looking healthy. Iti pratiyate it seems. Shalini asked her brother that what happened? His sister-in-law's health not well. I have been seeing since yesterday that she does not look healthy. It seems so. So Rakesh is telling to her sister that Chintaya Visaya Nasti Tvam Malaya Saha Gaksha Marge Sha Sarvam Gyapayashyati माला शालिनीं च चिकित्सकां प्रति गच्छन्त्यो वार्ता कुरुत. Rakesh told to her sister, Chintayam visayam nasti. Don't worry, it is not serious matter. Don't worry, it is not subject to worried. Tvam means you, malaya saha with malaya, with mala, gachha means go, marge sha in the way see, sarvam gyapayashyati means will tell everything. Rakesh told her sister that don't worry, you go with Mala, she will tell everything on the way. Mala Shalinim cha, Mala and Shalini, Chikitsikam prati to the doctor, lady doctor, Chikitsikam means lady doctor, pradikachanto while going, Vartah Kurut talking. Mala and Shalini talk while going to the lady doctor. Now Shalini asking her sister-in-law, Kim bhavata bhatrijaye ka samasya asti. Shalini is asking, Kim abhavat means what happened? Bhatrijaye means sister-in-law. Ka samasya asti, what is the problem? Shalini asked her sister-in-law that, what happened? Sister-in-law, what is the problem? So Mala replied, Mala is who? Mala is sister-in-law of Shalini. Mala replied, Shalini, aham masatrayasya garva swakucho dharayami tava brhatu आग्रह अस्ति यत अहम लिंग परीक्षणम कारयेयम कुच्छो कन्या अस्ति चेत गर्भ पातयेयम. Mala told to Shalini that Shalini means Shalini, aham means I, masatrayasya means of 3 month garb means pregnancy. Swakucho means in my stomach, in my womb. Dharayami means carrying. Mala told to Shalini that I am carrying a pregnancy of 3 months in my womb, in my stomach. Tava Bhrato means your brother. Agreham asti, insist that, told that. Aham ling parichanam, aham means I. Ling parichanam means gender test. Karayeyam means do. Kucho kanyasti means if there is a girl. Chete means then. Garbhapatayam, get the fetus aborted means that pregnancy aborted. Abortion, you can do abortion. Mala told to Shalini that I am carrying a pregnancy of 3 months in my womb. Your brother insists that I should get a gender test done, and if there is a girl in the womb, then I should get the fetus aborted. I should do the abortion if it is a girl. Aham ativa udvignasmi param tava bhrata vartamevam na shranoti. Malini also telling, aham means I, ativa means very, udvignasmi means upset. I am very upset. Param means but, tava bhrata means your brother, vartameva means talking, listening, na shranoti not listening. I am very upset, but your brother is not listening at all. Mala is telling Shalini that I am very upset, but your brother is not listening at all. Shalini. Now Shalini is telling to his sister-in-law, Bhrata evam chintayato mapi katham prabhavati sisuha kanya asti chet vardaha jaganyam krityam idam tvam virodham na kritavati. Shalini told his sister-in-law that Bhrata eva means only brother. Chintayatum means think like. Katham pravavati means how can. Sisu kanya asti, Sisu means child. Kanya asti is a girl. Chet vardaha is for killing. Jaganya means sinful. Kratyam idam means act. Tvam virodham, tvam means you. Virodham means protest. Na kratavati did not do. So Shalini told to Mala that how can brother even think like this? If this child is a girl, he will kill her. She is surprising. If this is a child, he will kill her. This is a sinful act. You did not protest. You did not protest. She is asking like this. Next. Saha tava sarire स्थितस्य शिशोः वधार्थं चिन्तयति त्वं तूष्णीम तिष्ठसि अधुनैव गृहं चल नास्ति आवश्यकता लिङ्गपरीक्षणस्य भ्राता यदा गृहम् आगमिष्यति अहं वार्ता करिष्ये. Saha, then Shalini is telling to Mala now also. Saha means he. Tava sarire means your body, in your body. Sthita shisho means baby. Vadhartham for killing. Chintayati is thinking. Tvam you. Tushrim means silent. Tishtasi means keep. he is thinking of killing the child from in your body and you are silent. Mala is telling to Shalini that he is thinking of killing the child in your body and you are silent. Adhunaiva means now. Graham chala, come to home. Nasti avashyakta, no need. Linga parichanasya of gender test. Come home now. No need to gender test. Gender test is not required. Bhrata yada, bhrata means brother, yada means when, griham agamasyati will come to home. Aham means I, vartam karishye will talk. When brother comes home, I will talk. So Mala is telling to Shalini that he is thinking of killing the child in your body and you are keeping silent. Come home now. Gender test is not required. When brother will come home, I will talk him. Now this is the evening time scene. Sandhya kale bhrata agacchati hastapadadikam प्रक्षाल्य वस्त्राणि च परिवर्त्य पूजागृहं गत्वा दीप प्रज्वालयति भवानीं स्तुतिं चापि करोति. तदनन्तरं चायपानार्थं सर्वे अपि एकत्रिता. संध्या काले means in the evening time of evening. Bhrata agacchati, brother comes. Hastapadadikam, hand and feet, etc. Prakchalya, washing, after washing. Vastrani cha, and cloth. Parivartya, changing. Puja griham means worship room. Gatva, goes. Deep prajwalati, lighting the lamp. Bhavanim stuti, prayer of Durga, the goddess Durga. Chapi karoti, do. In the evening time, brother comes after washing hands and feet and changing the clothes. He goes to the worship room. He lights a lamp and worships goddess Durga. Tadanantaram means after that, chai panartham, tea and breakfast. Sarve api, all, ekatrita, come together or gathers. After that, everyone gathers for tea and breakfast. In the evening time, brother comes after washing hands and feet, etc. and changing clothes, goes to the worship room, lights a lamp and worship of goddess Durga. After that, everyone gathers for tea and breakfast. Then Rakesh asked to Mala, Rakesh, Male, tvam chikitsikam prati gatavati asi, kim akathayata sha. Rakesh asked to Mala that Male means, oh Mala, tvam means you, chikitsikam prati, to the doctor, gatavati asi, went. Male, you went to the doctor. Kim akathayati sa, what did she say? Rakesh asked Mala that, Mala, you went to the doctor, what did she say? Mala Mona Meva Srayati Tadaiva Kridanti Trivarshiya Putri Ambika Pituha Prode Upavishyati Tasmat Chakaleham Cha Yachate Rakeshah Ambikam Lalayati Chakaleham Pradaya Tam Prodat Avatarayati Punah Malam Prati Prashnavachikam Drashti Chipati. So Mala Mon Meva Srayati means Mala remain silent. Mala remain silent. Tadaiva means then. Kridanti means playing. Trivarshiya, 3 years old. Putri means daughter. Ambika is the name of daughter. Pitu Krode means father's lap. Upavishata, sits. Mala remains silent. Then Ambika, a 3 years old daughter, playing daughter, sits on her father's lap. Tasmat, from him. Chokaleham means chocolate. Cha and yachate means asks. Then she asked him for chocolate. Who asked? That Ambika, 3 years old daughter. Rakeshah means Rakesh. Ambikam, to Ambika. Lalayati means love. Chokaleham pradaya, giving chocolate. Tam krodat means her. Krodat means from the lap. Avatarayati, off, take off. Then Rakesh love Ambika and takes her off from the lap after giving the chocolate. Punaha malam prati, punah means again, malam prati, to Mala. Prashnavachikam, questioning. Drashti means sight, Chippati means gives. Again he saw to Mala an interrogative look, an questioning look. So let's see full meaning. Mala, when he asked that Mala, you went to doctor, what she asked, what she told. So Mala remains silent. Then Ambika, a 3 years old playing girl daughter, sits on her father's lap, asks him for chocolate. Rakesh makes Ambika love and takes her off of the lap by giving her chocolate. He keeps an interrogative looks to Mala again. Next, Salini etat sarvam drishtva uttaram dadati. Salini means Salini. Etat sarvam means all this. Drishtva, seeing. Uttaram dadati, replies. Seeing all this, Salini replies. So what she replies? Let's see. Salini. Bhratah tvam kim gyatum ichhasi. She replied that she is asking that Bhrata means brother, tvam means you, kim means what, gyatum ichhasi, want to know. Brother, what do you want to know? Salini asked his brother that brother, what you want to know? Tasyah kuchi putrah asti putrava kimartham षण्मासानन्तरं सर्वं स्पष्टं भविष्यति समयात् पूर्वं किमर्थम अयम आयास. She is asked again. Tasya kuchi means in her bone, in her stomach. Putra asti, maybe son. Putriva, maybe daughter. In there, is there a son or daughter in her womb? Shadmashantaram, after 6 months. Sarvam, all, everything. Spasht bhavishyati, will clear. After 6 months, everything will be clear. Samayat purvam means before time. Kimartham means why. Ayam means this. Ayasa means attempt. Why is this attempt ahead of time, before of time? She is asking her brother that, brother, what do you want to know? Is there a son or a daughter in her womb? Why? After 6 months, everything will be clear. Why is the attempt ahead of time, before of time? She replied. Now Rakesh replied to her sister Bhagini. Shalini, Bhagini, tvam tu janasi ev asmakam grihe ambika putri rupena अस्त्येव अधुना एकस्य पुत्रस्य आवश्यकता अस्ति तहिर. Rakesh replied to her sister that Bhagini means sister. Tvam tu janasi, you know. Eva, that asmakam grahe, in our home. Ambika means Ambika. Putri rupena, as a daughter. अस्त्येव already. Adhuna now ekasya putrasya of one son avasyakta asti needed. Tahir show. Rakesh replied to her sister Shalini that, sister, you know that we already have Ambika as a daughter in our house. Now a son is needed. So I want to know this. Shalini. Now Shalini is replying to her brother. Tahir kuchi putri asti chet hantavya तीव्र स्वरेण हत्यायाः पापं कर्तुं प्रवृत्तोऽसि त्वम्. Shalini is telling to her brother, scolding to her brother. Shalini. Tahir kuchi means in the womb. Putri asti is a daughter. Chete hattabya for the killing. If there is a daughter in the womb, then she should be killed. Tibra Swarena means in a loud voice. Atyayah papam means papam of murder, sin of murder. Kartum for doing. Prabdatovasi commit. Tvam means you. If there is a daughter in the womb, then she should for killing. Loudly she is telling, you are ready to commit this papam, this sin of murder. Loudly she was scolding to her brother. Now Rakesh is telling, Rakesh, na, hatya to na. No, not a murder. Rakesh is replying her sister that, no, not a murder. Shalini. Tahir kim asti nighranam kratyam idam sarvatha vismritvana asmakam janakah kadapi पुत्री पुत्रमयः विभेदम न कृतिवान. Shalini is replying to her brother. Tahir kimasti for why. Nighranam means hatred. Kratyam idam this act. So is this act not deserving of hatred? Is this act is not a hated work? Sarvatha means always. Vismritvan forgot. Asmakam Janakam our father. Kadapi means ever. Kadapi na means never. Putri Putramayah son and daughter, between son and daughter. Vibhedam discriminate. Na Kritavana never do. Shalini telling to her brother, is this act not deserving a hatred? You completely forget that our father never discriminate between son and daughter. Means you forgot all things. Saha sarvadaiva manusmrate panktimam uddharati isma. Atma vai jayate putrah putrena duhita sama. Tvamapi sayam pratah devi stutim karoshi. Sah sarvadaiva means he always. Manusmrate of manusmriti. Panktimam quotes. Uddharati used to say that Atma Vayya means soul. Jayate means take birth. Putra means as a son. Putrena means soul of daughter. Duhita means daughter. Sama means same as. He always used to quote these sentences of Manusmriti that the soul of a father is born as a son. The soul of daughter is like also a son. So Shalini was telling to his brother that you forget what our father used to quote of Manusmriti, that the soul take birth in daughter and son as like same, means soul of daughter and a son is equal, is same as. How you can discriminate? Tvamapi means you also. Sayam pratah evening and morning. Devi istutim worshipping the goddess, pray the goddess. Karosi means do. Do you also pray the goddess in the morning and evening? You also doing pray of goddess in the morning, in the evening, and you are thinking like this. So next, she is telling again, किमर्थं सृष्टः उत्पादिन्याः शक्त्याः तिरस्कारं करोषि तव मनसि इयति कुत्सिता वृत्तिः आगता इदं चिन्तयित्वैव अहं कुण्ठिता अस्मि तव शिक्षा वृथा. किमर्थम means why, srashta means created, word sorry, srashta means word, utpadinya created, saktya power, tiriskaram karochi insulting. Why do you insult the power of created the word? Why do you insult the power that created the word? Means you are insulting the power of creating word. Tava manasi, in your mind, yati kutsita, this bad thought, vritti comes, vritti agata, means how such a bad thoughts have to come in your mind. How it come in your mind? Idam chintayatva, after thinking about this, aham kuntita asmi, I am upset. Tava shiksha means your study, your education, vratha means in vain, wasted. So, after thinking about this, I become upset. I am upset, and your study is waste. Your study is in vain. So, what she is telling? Why do you insult the power of that created the world? Why do you insulting? Why do you insult the creating power of the world? Such a bad thought have to come in your mind. I am upset just thinking about it. How this type of bad thought is coming in your mind? Your study is in vain. Means what you study in your life, all thing wastage. Rakesh. Now Rakesh is replying to her sister. When she is scolding too much, then Rakesh replied, Bhagini, Virama, Virama, Aham Swaparadham Swikaromi Lajjit Swasmi Adhya Pravati Kadapi Garhitamidam Karyam Swapne api na Chintasyami Yathaiva Ambika Mama Hridayasya Sampurna Snehasya Adhikarani Asti Tathaiva Aganta Shishuha Api Snehadhikari Bhavishyati Putra Bhavatu Putri Va. So now Rakesh is replying to her sister. Bhagini means sister. Virama, Virama means stop, hold on. Aham means I. Swaparadham means my mistake. Swikaromi, accept. I accept my mistake. Lajjitasmi, and I am ashamed. Adhya Pravarti means from today. Kadapi means ever. Garhitamidam means Garhitamidam. This type of condemnation. Swapne api, in dream. Na chintasyami, never think. I will never think of this act deserving of condemnation. I will never think about this, and I am accepting my mistake. Yathaiva means like this. As Ambika, Mama Hridayasya, of my heart, Sampurna Snehasya, full love, Adhikarini Asti means deserve. Just as Ambika deserves my heart and all love. Tathaiva means same as Agantya Sishu, upcoming baby. Api means also. Snehadhikari means entitled or deserve. Bhavishyati will be. Putra means son. Bhavatu become. Putriva or daughter. Means just as Ambika deserves my heart and all love, in the same way the child to come will also be entitled to love, be it a son or daughter. I will never discriminate. Rakesh is replying, I'm telling again. Rakesh is replying when she scolded him too much. So he replied that, oh sister, hold on. I accept my mistake and I am ashamed. From today onwards, I will never think of this act deserving of condemnation, just as Ambika deserves my heart and all love. In the same way, the child to come will also be entitled to love, but be it a son or a daughter. I will never discriminate. Aham स्वगर्हित चिंतनम प्रति पश्चातापमग्न अस्मि अहम कथम विस्मृतमान यत्र नार्यस्तु पूज्यन्ते रमन्ते तत्र देवता यत्रैताः न पूज्यन्ते सर्वास्तत्र फलाः क्रिया. That Rakesh is telling to her sister that aham means I, swagarhit chintanam, reprehensible thought, prati means to, paschatapam, sorry, asmi, I am sorry for my reprehensible thought or hated thought. I am sorry for my hated thought. Aham katham vismritvan, how I have forgotten that yatra means where, naryastu means women, pujyante are worshipped, ramante means lived, reside, tatra there, devata gods. Where women are worshipped, there the gods are reside, live. Yatraita means there or where, na pujyante not worshipped, sarvas tatra phala all work, phalak akriya fail. So the Rakesh was telling that I am sorry for my hatred thinking and how I forgot like this. Where women are worshipped, there the god are lives, and where they are not worshipped, where the women are not worshipped, all works fail on that place. अथवा पितुर्दश गुणा मातेति त्वया सन्मार्गः प्रदर्शितः भगिनी कनिष्ठा अपि त्वं मम गुरुरसि. Now also Rakesh is telling that athava means or, pitur dasaguna from 10 times of father, mateti means his mother, or the mother is 10 times more than the father, honorable means the mother is honorable 10 times more than father. Tvaya sanmarga means right path, pradarshati means show, bhagini means sister, by you, by a sister, you have shown the right path. Kanistha api means you are younger, tvam mama guru asi, but you are my guru. You are my guru even though you are younger. So Rakesh is telling again that the mother is 10 times honorable more than the father. Sister, you have shown me the right path. You are my guru, even though you are younger sister, but you are my guru. Now Shalini is telling to her brother Rakesh, Alam paschatapena tava manashah andhakarah apagatah prasannatayah visayo ayam bhatrajaye agaccha sarvam chintam tyaj agantu ishoh swagataaya च सन्नद्धा भव भ्रातः त्वमपि प्रतिज्ञां कुरु कन्यायाः रक्षणे तस्याः पाठने दत्तचित्तः स्थास्यसि पुत्रीं रक्ष पुत्रीं पाठय इति सर्वकारस्य घोषणेय तदैव सार्थिका भविष्यति यदा वयं सर्वे मिलित्वा चिंतनम मिदि यथार्थ रूपम. Now Shalini is telling to her brother that alam paschatapena, stop regretting now, stop regretting now. Tava manasah andhakara, the darkness of your mind, apagata means has been destroyed. Prasannataya visayo ayam, this is the matter of happiness. Prasannataya visayo ayam means this is the matter of happiness. Bhatrajaye, sister-in-law, agachha, come. Sarvam chintam tyajya, leave all worry. Agantu, come. Come and leave all the worry. Come and don't worry. Shisho swagataya, for welcoming the baby. Cha means and. Sannadha bhava, get ready. Get ready for welcoming the upcoming baby. Bratah means brother. Tvamapi, you also. Pratigyam karu, take pledge. Kanyayah rakshane, for caring of girl. Tasya pathane, for teaching him, for caring her. Datta chitta means careful. Sthasyasi will be. Putri raksha, putri patha means beti bachao, beti padhao. Keep safe daughter, teach daughter. Iti sarvakarasya ghoshana. This is the announcement of government. Tadaiva sarthaka, only then meaningful. Bhavishyati will be. Yada means then. Vayam sarve militva, we all together. Chintanamidi, thinking like this. Yathartha rupam means truly. Shalini is telling, stop regretting now, brother. Stop regretting now. The darkness of your mind has been destroyed. Sister-in-law, come and leave worry and get ready to welcome the baby. Brother, you also take a pledge. You will be careful in protecting the girl and teaching her. This announcement of government, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, will be meaningful only when we will all together make this idea true. So what she is telling again, this is the shloka, and in this shloka he is telling about the great ladies of India in many fields, different fields. Ya gargi srut chintane, nrapanaye panchalika vikrame, Lakshmi satru vidarine, gaganam vigyanangane kalpana, indrodhyogapathe cha khela jagati khyatavitah saina, seyam stri shakalashu dichu shabala sarvaih sadotsahitam. Ya Gargi means just as Gargi is famous in Shastra contemplation. Nrapanaye Panchalika means Draupadi. Panchali means Draupadi. In politics and might. Lakshmi Bai Satru Vidarane means destroying the enemy. Gaganam Vigyana Rupena Kalpana, and Kalpana Chawla in space science. Indrodhyogapathe, Indra Nui in the industry. Khela Jagati Khyatavita Saina, and Saina Nehwal in the sport field. Seyam Stri Sakalasu, they are all famous women all around. Dikshu means direction. Shavala Sarvaiha means these women are strong. Sadotsahayatam, always encourage them. Just as Gargi is famous in Shastra's contemplation, Draupadi in might and politics, Lakshmi Bai in destroying the enemy, Kalpana Chawla is famous in space science, Indra Nui a famous businessman in industry, and Saina Nehwal is famous in the sport world. They all are famous women all around the world. This woman is strong in all directions. These women are strong in all directions, always encourage them. So like this, we understand we have to say Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, and we have to make aware our society. So like this, explanation of this chapter finished. So we will meet in the next session, and thank you for watching. Dhanyavad.